Morning, I'm just going to show you how to empty your toilet, your cassette. Undo the lock at the top, press button, pull it down. Put the gloves on. This is how I do it anyway. Little orange handle, you need to make sure inside that the toilet is closed. I've got a video that I'll add into it. You pull this green handle up here. Then you should pull forward. Like so. Sit down. You then lift, pull that there back, and your handle will lift up so you can pull it. And then you go over to get it emptied out. Alright, we're here now to empty it all out. So you lift this orange thing up here, like so. Turn your yellow lid, open that up. Lift this green lid up. Put it down. Click it back into place, like so. Use your handle that we've got here. Pick it up. Start to pour it in. And you do have an orange button here that you press, which will make it come out faster. Get your tap, give it a rinse out a couple of times. Put your lid back on. Push it down. Then you got your handle again. Pull it out. You're ready to pull it away again. You close your lid down like so. Use your flusher. Wash your hands over here. You got your taps here properly cold. Your soap dispenser. And now you're back here. You get it again. Hand up handle. Push this handle down. So, how that clicks in. So, get your wheels to the back, roll it in until you're ready to clip. The other handle clips down, back up. So, this bit here is to put your flush in, your pink stuff. Then whenever you're travelling with these sort of toilets, your C200 and stuff with your electric ones, before you go anywhere, you always want to use this here to empty all your pink stuff out, so then it doesn't splash everywhere and cause damp off your wall. Close the door, lock it up, there we go. This little grommet here, like so.